What lengths do parents go in search of their kids? This father has been digging daily for almost 8 months for his missing son. His son, a soldier, was kidnapped by the terrorists in Jammu and Kashmir in August. Ever since then, Manzoor has been digging.
Every day he digs, along with others from his village, for the past 8 months. And every day he returns empty-handed, in despair. This is the spot where Manzoor Ahmed Wage had found his son's blood-soaked clothes. And he thinks his son could be buried somewhere near here. Shakir Manzoor, a soldier of the Territorial Army, is believed to have been kidnapped and killed by terrorists on August 2 last year. The disturbed family dreams of Manzoor often.
8 दिन 10 दिन के बाद हमारा परिवार कोई न कोई सपनों में ख्वाबों में आते हैं कि मुझे यहाँ से ले जाओ, मैं नहर के नीचे हूँ, मुझे ठंड लग रहा है। हर किसी रिश्तेदार को जाते हैं, मुझे खाना दे दो, हमें भूख लगी है। जब भी मैं सुनता हूँ मेरे आंखों में आंसू आता है।
Wage moves from orchard to orchard with his shovel. All he wants is a proper burial for his son. The 56-year-old farmer believes terrorists killed his son after torturing him for some information that he refused to divulge. Police say the terrorist who claimed to have killed the soldier has been killed in an encounter.
Initially, terrorist ने claim किया था कि इसको मार के हम लोग कहीं दफना दिए। जो terrorist claim किया था वो encounter में मारा गया और उसके कुछ और लोगों से हम लोग बात किए, इंट्रोगेट किए थे। अभी तक ऐसा कुछ हम लोग को नहीं मिल पा रहा है कि कहाँ दफनाया है। फिर भी हम लोग अपने जो सोर्स से उससे बात कर रहे हैं। अगर उस तंजीम से और कुछ रिलेटेड कोई टेररिस्ट जिंदा मिल जाएगा तो उसको फर्दर इंट्रोगेट करेंगे।
मैं गवर्नमेंट को अपील कर रहा हूँ कि मेरे बेटे कश्मीरी होकर उसको शहीद करार क्यों नहीं देते। मैं कहीं भी जाता हूँ बोलते हैं वो मिसिंग है। ये सबको पता है वो मिसिंग नहीं है, उसको मार दिया गया है।
But in official records, Manzoor is still a missing soldier, so his family cannot get compensation.
In Kashmir, around 8,000 people have been disappeared in last 3 decades, and the relatives of missing want to know if their dear ones are alive or dead. If dead, show us their graves. This is for the first time a serving soldier has been abducted and disappeared. And Wage family for last 8 months are digging earth everywhere to trace the body of Rifleman Shakir so that he is given a proper burial. In Srinagar, Nazir Masoodi, 5 NDTV.